In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a web page from your Google site. It's a straightforward process, and with just a few clicks, you'll be able to easily get a hard copy of your published site. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to your Google site. Open your preferred web browser and head to your site by entering the URL in the address bar. If you're not signed into your Google account, make sure to do so, as you'll need access to the dashboard to proceed with the next steps. Once you're on the Google site dashboard, locate the Publish button. It's usually positioned towards the top right corner of the screen. Next to this button, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click on that arrow to reveal a selection of options. Among these choices, look for the View Published Site option. Clicking this will take you to the live version of your site, the same one your audience sees when they visit your URL. After opening your published Google site, the next step is to prepare it for printing. This can be easily done with a simple keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and P at the same time. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Command instead of Control. This shortcut quickly opens your browser's print settings, giving you a preview of what your printed page will look like. You'll be able to see how everything is laid out and whether adjustments need to be made prior to printing. In the Print Settings pane, you'll find various options to customize your printout. Whether you need to adjust page orientation, size, or scale, these settings allow you to tailor the print to your precise specifications. Consider whether you want color or black and white, single or double-sided printing, and the number of copies you require. Make any adjustments necessary to ensure that the final printout meets your needs. Once you've chosen your desired settings and everything looks just right, you can go ahead and initiate the printing process. Simply click the Print button, usually found in the lower right corner of the Print Settings window. Your printer will then spring to life, and within moments, you'll have a tangible copy of your Google site in hand. And there you have it. With those simple steps, you've successfully printed your Google site. Remember, having a physical copy can be incredibly useful, whether it's for presentations, record keeping, or just having a handy reference. Now that you've mastered the process, you can easily repeat it whenever the need arises. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy printing!